Latvia University of Life Sciences and Technologies has been developing dynamically and on the way to scientific excellence. In our vision, LLU is one of the leading universities of science and technologies in the Baltic Sea region, specializing in the sustainable use of natural resources and aimed at enhancing the quality of life for the society. The scientific research of the university in unique areas makes an important contribution to the development of science and national economy and is an integral part of the direction of social sciences and economics. LLU focuses on creating and implementing the principles of open science, also in relation to the research infrastructure. Openness and accessibility are an important aspect of LLU research infrastructure. There are relatively wide opportunities to use the specific technology base required for research. The direction of social sciences in the university is closely linked with the directions of biological and engineering sciences and their subfields such as agriculture, forestry, and spatial planning. Activities of the social science direction are implemented by a team of competent scientists who ensure the development of science in specialized areas for achieving high research outputs and make a positive impact on the international visibility of LLU. They contribute to high-level research with the internationally recognized research findings and have an impact on the international scientific community. Research groups carry out international and nationally important scientific research, work with state institutions, non-governmental organizations, and business representatives that require independent communication and involvement in social processes. LLU historically has made a significant contribution to the development of bioeconomy in Latvia, and LLU continues to do so. The research areas cover sustainable development of economics in the bioresearch industries. The aim is to identify opportunities, barriers, and solutions for sustainable development of bioresearch industries at a national level by using modern trends in research approaches. This research group brings together scientists who are specialized in different fields. In bioeconomy research direction, the number of projects and the international involvement of projects have increased in recent years. The Sustainable Bioeconomy Research Group is a strong international player. Our researchers and research achievements are internationally recognized in the discipline of bioeconomy, and LLU is highly regarded as a partner in international research projects and networks. Right now we have several running international scientific projects, including 3 Horizon 2020 projects that will leave an impact on the advancement of the scientific level of the European bioeconomy monitoring system for the EU. It is important to obtain up-to-date and specific data for the development of the tools we use, so we participate and use the data obtained from other faculties. The data needed for climate policy is one example. It is important for us to offer solutions to improve sustainable agricultural production. The data obtained from the farm helps to select the necessary measures for farming practices that provide quality market-demanded food and reduce the impact on climate change and the environment. The obtained data are collected, harmonized, analyzed, and used in bioeconomy research. We have various data processing tools. In case of large amounts of data, specialized equipment is available which ensures the speed of data analysis. The infrastructure available to us allows us to develop models and tools that are important for achieving research goals. We have a strong postdoc program that allows our scientists to realize and continue their scientific research activities.
The postdoc research support program is very important to me as a new scientist in order to improve my scientific qualification. The research is original due to its interdisciplinary perspective on the economic efficiency of agricultural animal dietary solutions, given the possibilities to reduce the risks of pollution from the incomplete absorption of feedstuffs.
Following research studies in bioeconomy in my PhD, I am now continuing my research career in a Horizon 2020 research project related to modeling in bioeconomy sectors in EU. I am also engaged in a study regarding digitalization in bioeconomy in a collaboration with an enterprise working in this field, thus creating a synergy of academic skills and practical approach to this study. The research environment in our university and in the Sustainable Bioeconomy Research Group has allowed me to gain the competences, skills and support needed to pursue a research career in national and international research groups after my PhD studies.
The research of the Sustainable and Smart Territorial Development Group is related to the fact that currently existing different regional development levels and socioeconomic differences among the regions of Latvia, including details of the natural and cultural environment, differences in traditions and economic activities, income diversity, have a negative impact on the rate of development. The aim of the Sustainable and Smart Territorial Development Group is to identify drivers, barriers, and solutions for the sustainable territorial development in the context of sustainable use of bioresources and improvement of the quality of life in society. Extensive and successful cooperation with local governments allows us to use local government infrastructure, which is sometimes a research platform. Municipalities are happy to cooperate and offer their infrastructure, also providing a function of informing and involving the public. Sometimes the research is a platform for building an intercultural bridge. Territorial development research is impossible without geospatial analysis. The available devices and software provide ample opportunities for scientific research and collaboration with spatial planners. Competitiveness of Business and Sustainable Development of Society Research Group brings together scientists who are specialized in collaboration with industry, innovative products and entrepreneurship, sustainable, integrated and inclusive development, developing rural and urban businesses, community development, professional education and career support in the society. The LLU Technology and Knowledge Transfer Center is one of the leading innovation centers in the Baltic states, which fosters cooperation among scientists, students, and entrepreneurs through the development of innovative technological solutions and high value-added products based on scientific research and interdisciplinary cooperation between scientists and students. In cooperation with entrepreneurs, we find out how the innovations introduced in the agricultural holdings, in addition to the diversification of their operation, can facilitate the development of competitive bioeconomy. We use open resources and facilities for workshops in community buildings and local resources, as well as practically apply various social research methods. Our scientists were involved in research field trips, national research program projects in such places as Elskalne Parish, Preiļi Municipality, which gathered communities, students, and scientists from various LLU faculties as well as various universities to provide an interdisciplinary view of on-site development scenarios. We involve students, scientists, and international partners in business idea competitions held by municipalities, business organizations, associations, and national and international institutions. The obtained predictions, simulations, and other results develop science, improve decision-making for policymakers, generate industry-relevant knowledge, and improve the quality of study courses. The knowledge transfer model for LLU Social Sciences is proactive in creating a knowledge development platform. The research outputs of the institution have been published in the leading forums of the institution to serve as an important driver of societal development.